welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make grape pound cake. Very delicious and soft cake recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Beat it well with a fork until they turn nice and fluffy. Now the eggs are nicely done, so go ahead and add half cup of sugar. Mix well until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then add quarter cup of melted butter and half cup of grape juice. Mix it well. Then add 2 cups of maida, a teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well and make sure no lumps are formed. Now we have a perfect lump-free batter. To this, add a few drops of purple food color. This is optional. If you don't have purple, you can mix red and blue. Mix well until the color is evenly spread. Now it's ready. I've already greased a loaf pan with ghee and spread some maida on top of it. Transfer the grape pound cake batter to it. Tap it twice or thrice to release the air bubbles. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. Now our cake is ready. Give it a 10 minutes rest time and then you can demold the cake. Now let's slice it. Our super delicious and yummy grape pound cake is now ready. Enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, quick and delicious grape pound cake recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.